Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question how to fix when your Google Photos not working. Firstly, I recommended to check your internet connection. Maybe you need to switch between Wi-Fi and your mobile internet. And also you can use some websites to check is everything okay with your internet connection. Next, I recommend you to go to the Play Store or App Store if you use iPhone. Then in the search write Photos and check if you have the latest version for Google Photos. And update if you haven't. This one can fix this problem. Next step is to restart Google Photos application. So just remove this application from the application list and then open it again. And also sign in into your account. Maybe you sign out, so sign in. Then we can also clear the cache. We cannot clear the cache on the iPhone, but we can do something else. So I will tell you later. On Android, open Settings, then click at the apps. I have it at the beginning, you may have it at the bottom, in the middle, it depends. You can also use the search and you can write apps here, then tap at the apps line, and you need to find Google Photos. I already have them here, so I can tap on them, but maybe you need to click See All, and then or scroll down and find Photos, or just use the search and write Photos here. And then tap at the Photos line, click at the Storage and Cache, clear the cache. And if it didn't help you, I recommend it to reinstall the application. So, on some Android phones, like on mine, Pixel 8, I cannot remove this application. But I can turn off and I can remove latest update. So just click Clear Storage right here, or in the Play Store click Uninstall. And after that return to the Play Store and click Update your application to the latest version. And now let's move to the iPhone. And as I tell you later, you cannot clear the cache on your iPhone. But if you reinstall the application, so if you remove this application then install it, it will automatically clear the cache. Some applications on iOS have a button to clear the cache, some haven't. Google Photos haven't. So just press and hold the Google Photos, then click Remove App, and then Delete App. After that, go to the App Store, and in the search write Photos, and install Google Photos, then open the application, sign in into your account, and enable backup. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!